get on to today's video. Jason Andrews, the All-American driver, and we have a couple mods for the S2000. All right, so in here, I have actually got a couple accessories from a company called Modifry. Now, I believe he's just an S2000 that noticed some things that the cars need, and he just started making them. So one of them is a cell phone holder, which I told you guys, like, as soon as I bought the car, that was like a must. I needed something. And the other is a GoPro mount, because you guys know I love my track footage. I love driving footage. And I'm just kind of playing around to see what angles, you know, what positions work for the GoPro. Got a base plate, the phone holder, and a bracket, and then a little swivel dial shaped like a coat hanger. All right, we have some type of base plate, S2000 windscreen camera mount, and then here is the GoPro attachment. So I'll be honest, I don't really know exactly how to install all this stuff, but I'm just gonna bring the car in and start figuring it out. With the S2000 being a convertible, it actually makes it really easy to work on interior things. So this should put the phone somewhere around here. I've got some bad news. I ordered the wrong bracket. See, I thought that the phone was going to be mounted here, but I guess the bracket I got puts the phone down here. I don't know, do I just go ahead and install it? Let me look at the directions. Unfortunately, the pictures are really faded, so I can't really tell what's going on. And when I search for this particular product on YouTube, I'm actually not seeing any how-to videos. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. First, I gotta start by trying to remove this door bezel panel thing. Basically, I'm just trying to use a pry tool to get underneath. I think this whole assembly will pop off, but I don't want to break anything. Okay, well, I think we got it. We got it. I don't think we broke any tabs. Okay, so you can see here, this is the mount, and there are just a couple screws here from the radio, and then it looks like it just kind of fits in like that. So this should be actually pretty easy. Okay, so far so good. So now I think I just need to reinstall the bezel here. Okay, I can still open the door, and the phone is pretty secure. It's in a good viewing spot for me. Alright, so you can see that it's in. It looks pretty nice. I still can open the door, no problem. It's actually really solid. I think it's going to be fine. We'll see. So again, it actually wasn't the phone mount that I wanted or that I thought I ordered. It was my mistake. It was totally my mistake. And after searching on the website and on the S2KI page, apparently the other ones that I actually wanted were kind of hard to get. So this is what I got, and I think it's gonna work fine for now. Okay, so now let's see if I can figure out this GoPro mount. So I'm just using a little pick tool to pry off. There's little caps behind here on the screws. See here, there were just some plastic caps over these two Phillips screws. Let's see if I can find a GoPro. Alright, so pretty good install on both of those products. Neither one of them were very difficult. Both of them are smooth. They both installed pretty well. Again, like we talked about, that wasn't the exact phone mount that I wanted. However, I'm going to use it for now, and then if I'm really like annoyed with it, I'll just upgrade to the other one. And then the GoPro mount I think works great, but we should probably take it for a ride to test it out. So I just want to clear one thing up real quick. I know I said that the phone mount was from Modifry, but actually reading the directions, it looks like it's in dash by Panavice. Now the GoPro mount is a Modifry product. You can see that right here. So I guess basically Modifry is selling both brackets, and they just happen to be out of the one I specifically ordered, or I wanted to order. I'm sorry, it was my mistake. I clicked the wrong button. But so I just wanted to clear that up real quick. Let me show you actually how bad the directions were for the phone mount. Look at that. I mean, it's like these pictures, completely useless. Overall, I'm pretty happy with both of the installs today, so a thumbs up. I'm glad I got the GoPro mount. I need to see the footage real quick, but I'm assuming that it looks pretty good. So, okay, after watching the GoPro footage, I think that it's gonna be really nice on track. I like the position, I like the angle, I like that I can basically get to it very easy. From the back of it, I can see what it's recording. And also, it's like really close to the cigarette lighter, so I could get just a USB adapter and then charge the GoPro while I'm on track, because I have had an issue with that. So really happy with the GoPro mount. The phone mount, whatever, it's fine for now. It's way better than not having a mount at all. So I'm gonna keep it for now and just kind of see if I hate it, I'll get rid of it, get the other one. But I think that's it for me. I got some content coming, more S2000. Oh, we got to get on track soon. There's one small issue I'm dealing with, but we got to get on track soon. Shelby content is coming soon. I actually have a couple mods I need to install on the car that actually I think you guys are really gonna like. So if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much. I do have a few more shirts left, all right? So far, you guys have been loving the first edition tees. The quality, the print, the details, you guys have all said that you were very happy. And it's been kind of fun to package those up, ship them out to everyone who's buying them. And so I am sold out of some of the smaller sizes. Small is gone, medium is gone, have a couple larges, and then a couple extra large, and maybe a couple 2XL, like if you guys are bigger guys or whatever, or girls. So again, just hit me up on Instagram if you guys want one, $25 shipped. And again, it'll probably be a little while before I make another merch run. So that's it for me, Jason Andrews, the All-American Driver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next episode.